KB5039212 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few methods to fix the problem. Type misconfig in the Windows search box and press enter. Open the system configuration. In the system configuration, go to the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services at the bottom. Next, switch to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Now update Windows again. If that didn't work, install the update manually. Open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Paste the update and click on Search. Find the correct version of the update for your operating system. To check this, right-click on Start and pick System. Under Windows Specifications, check the version and click Download. If that didn't work, check relevant Windows services. Open Services. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, run this cleanup. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.